Hi, in front of me I have GoPro Max and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by swiping down from the top of the touchscreen, like this, to open this menu, and here let's select Preferences. Now let's scroll down, tap on the Regional, and here we have Language. Let's tap on it. Now you can scroll down, find the language you'd like to use, and tap on it to select it. For example, let's select Deutsch. And as you can see, the language changed. Let's bring it back to English. Oh, no, English, like that. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.